Now it's going. Okay, here's the neighborhood. They're tearing down this house next door. Got the front door open here. Let's go check it out. Got a room right off the front. Upstairs, what do we got right here? Fireplace here. Man, it's got a big backyard. This one's huge. Huge backyard. Really nice kitchen. Big eating area. Got a mud room here so you can come in. Garage off the front. Okay, let's go upstairs. Let me turn it sideways so you can see a little better. What's this? Okay, half bath here. Yeah, you can see they started the one next door too. Wow, a bunch of bedrooms. All the bedrooms are up. Seems to be a theme these days. Big bedrooms. Yeah, here's the bath. Shower tub. Water closet, what's that? Okay, then right off the bath. In the bath. Same thing with this guy. Yeah, you can see where they're getting ready. They're already tearing that one down. Bath here. Another bedroom. I guess this is like a bonus room. It's really not made for anything. Another bath right here. So I guess instead of having it in here, it's across the hall. Okay, so those connect to that one. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Hit all the bedrooms up here. This is another one of those houses where you can tell they've taken a lot that's empty, built a brand new house on it. They're trying to flip this neighborhood. This is a nice house, no doubt. Talk to you on the next one. Take care. Bye.